Oh, yes, I know I'm taller than her. Wait. Ready? Good God. So she's going to struggle to figure that out. She will, though, I think rather quickly. Come on, hot stuff. Figure out that my house, yes. So this as well. Right?
Okay.
I'm not going to show her that.
Yeah.
If she sees that, she's going to go for it, right? Hop. So that's the trigger. There it is, yeah. And the trigger is the leg coming out.
Leg.
Right? Not the disc. Come on, hot stuff. House. Yes, ready, wait. Hop. Yes. Right, so she went on, the disc didn't even come into it.
Okay.
Right? And I don't want her performing the vault as like a trajectory-based thing.
Yeah.
Right?
Okay.
I want her to target the object.
Yeah.
But I also wanted to prove to you that she was going on that and not the disc.
Yeah.
So come on, hot stuff. You ready? Hop. Yes, good girl. House. Wait. Hop. Yes. What? Yes. It's not fair, is it?
It's okay. She could probably back vault off you too, and
Yeah, totally. She will be. I'll do that after.
yeah.
Come on, hot stuff. Wait right there. Wait. Come on. Wait. Hot. Yeah. Come on. Wait. Whoa, whoa. Come on over here. Hustle. House. Oh, God. Oh, you had it. Ready? Hot. Good girl. Yes, house. Yes, house. What? Look at her house. Whoa, 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 whoa. Excuse me. Kind of consider that like a fart in church.
Yeah.
Right? That's completely unacceptable. You could do that with a look as well.
Okay.
Wait. Wait. Hop. Oh, you ready? Come on, hot stuff. House. Yes, wait. Hop.
Yeah.
So that's a trigger, dude.
Yeah. Okay.
It's a trigger. All right, you want to do it?